Hello, everyone. Welcome to the new episode of our TOBBCAST channel. Hello, Zeynep.
Hello, Rukiye.
How are you?
I'm fine and a little excited
Uh-huh.
to discuss our year.
Yeah, because this is going to be like a review of 2024.
Yeah. Okay, I like to ask you first, how was your year?
It wasn't a lot different than my years before, but yeah, 2024 has been an active year for us as a TOBBCAST crew. We got to do a lot of episodes, which is honorable for us. But we are seniors now.
Yeah.
And 2024 was probably the last year. So, how was your year, Zeynep?
I can only remember the fun times of my year. I met new people. They became really important roles in my life. I had a new best friends and everything, and that's why I can remember fun times of this year. So yeah, I guess I can say like fun generally. Yeah.
I hope
And
it-
also, it really makes me exhausted this year
I know.
because of this whole being a senior thing.
Now we can talk about Grammys.
I used to follow these things so much, like Grammys, Oscars, Emmys, even People's Choice Awards. But now I feel like I kind of like lose my
I know.
interest on them because I can totally see that it's not fair.
I mean, Taylor Swift winning again.
Yeah, I believe she won like lots of awards throughout the years. Anytime she wins an award, I feel like they should really earn it.
Yeah, you are totally right about it. But
Mhm.
unfortunately, I don't think that neither the Oscar committee or people who choose for Grammy Awards are fair at all. We didn't even get to see Lana Del Rey, Lady Gaga, or Travis Scott.
Yeah.
And these people are totally successful and get to touch people's hearts. And they write very deep songs.
Yeah, about Travis Scott. Yeah, he writes really deep songs.
So it is sad to see this kind of unfairness.
This year's winnings were Taylor Swift, Album of the Year,
Mhm.
Record of the Year, Miley Cyrus,
Yes,
Song of the Year,
Flowers.
Billie Eilish.
Uh-huh. And best pop solo performance was
But-
also Flowers.
It got really viral because it has a backstory, like Miley Cyrus being cheated on, and she writes that song, and everyone just goes crazy. So it was a huge pop, and it made a lot of money.
Yeah, and it is about a woman's independence. So I guess it is also something that people can easily relate to.
And also, it was a really catchy song.
Yeah, so she totally deserved it.
Yeah, I mean, we're not saying like song of the year. We're saying like record of the year. And the song of the year was Billie Eilish, "What I Was Made For," one of the theme songs of Barbie.
Of the movie Barbie.
Speaking about Grammys, Beyonce is one of the women that won most Grammys, and there are like so many conspiracy theories about her. And one of the craziest one is that back in 2000s, Kanye West jumped on the stage and took the microphone of Taylor Swift. He said Beyonce deserved this award.
And not Taylor.
After years of that incident, we've seen the theories which said like
he did it to,
he did it to protect Taylor Swift because Beyonce would kill people to be a star. But it's, you can't believe it because there's some edits that makes you believe. It shows so many cuts from different times that, artist just goes on the stage and the first thing they say when they win an award, "Thank you, Beyonce. I
Yeah.
love you, Beyonce." And an adult broke the whole Grammy into a half for Beyonce
Well, I've seen her speech. She goes up to the stage and she immediately starts crying and she's thanking to Beyonce for this award. I mean, she's not thanking to people who gave this award to her. She's not thanking to her family, but she's thanking to Beyonce. And also Miley Cyrus, when she won an award, she went to the stage and said, well, okay, so my life was good. I was happy yesterday. I hope this award doesn't change anything, which actually approves the theories about Beyonce.
And also about music, I want to talk about Drake and Kendrick Lamar diss. I remember the times that I was following the songs, which I couldn't because it was going really fast. Like it was really dynamic.
Yeah. I mean, we were just looking up for it, and it says that one of them released a song within 20 minutes just to provoke the other. Okay.
Not Like Us by Kendrick Lamar was one of the biggest hits in this beef, and it almost got 1 billion streams on Spotify. Okay, now I have one more thing to talk about in musics. Bruno Mars becomes the first artist to surpass 140 million monthly Spotify listeners. Like he's been one in Spotify over weeks. Like when you get into Spotify profile of him, you get one because he's the number one in the world. Any song that he releases goes viral in a really short term. It's because that he does this job like
in a good way.
Yeah, he's the best. He's literally the best. Like
yeah. Okay.
We see the numbers. He's the best. Okay, so I guess we can start by talking about Elon Musk. He does something and it goes viral just like that. And one of these things, and one of Elon Musk's company, Neuralink, has an achievement this year. The company says the first brain chip patient who's paralyzed plays online chess using only his brain.
Well, I was very impressed by it. Whenever we search about new improvements in technology, Elon Musk is one of the first names that pops into our minds.
Yeah.
And this Neuralink actually reminds me of a new invention of Apple's that was also announced in 2024. Apple Vision Pro. Yeah, and it is a new development in technology that provides the user to reach the applications in their phone, in their computers, just with I don't know, like glasses.
Huge glasses.
Yeah.
The first time that I saw Apple Vision Pro, I thought it was fake. It was fake news because, you know, it didn't seem so real. Like it's beyond technology, I believe, you know, a huge thing. But then I found out that it was real, and I found out that it has amazing features in it, you know. But would I use it? Probably no. Like outside of home, it would be a little weird to wear those huge glasses
with apps on your eyes.
Yeah, and you're doing this stuff.
I know. But not a problem if you got the money.
Yeah, definitely. Elon Musk also announced Cybercap this year. You know, actually, we can't say like we didn't see it coming, but seeing it in 2024, it was like, oh my God, the future is coming.
And I believe that one of the biggest reasons that Trump won the election this year was because that he got Elon Musk's support on him.
Yeah. You know, he doesn't only have money. I'm talking about Elon Musk. He also has a massive power.
Most celebrities didn't want for Trump to win this election. They've always supported other candidates. And Elon Musk had a lot of his support to Trump, and he won.
Yeah, he won. Actually, it's kind of like an ironic thing that Elon Musk's is really strict about immigration rights and everything, but even though he's an immigrant, and also the Russia and Ukraine war is still continuing over like 1,000 day.
Wow, 1,000.
Yeah,
So it's like almost 3 years.
yeah, almost, and over 3 years actually.
Hmm.
I guess, if I'm
Yeah.
not mistaken. These are just the wars that we can see in the media, like Palestine, Ukraine, and Syria, but there are also wars that we cannot see in media that much, such as East Turkmenistan.
And China. I mean, people there have been suffering for decades, and unfortunately, media refuses to create awareness about that and just ignores it. I don't know, it's such a tragedy thinking that people can be so inhumane and unethical. When a war is in the topic, there are innocent people. After all these sad comments, I think we should continue with sports and our own country's achievements.
Yeah.
Yusuf Dikeç, he won a silver medal and made all of us proud.
Turkey has gone viral on social media. I guess we can say like just because of Yusuf Dikeç, because he was so confident, so casually did this shooting. Like everyone was impressed by him, and he won a silver medal. It was a big thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, I've seen edits of him that was made by people from different nationalities.
Yeah.
I mean, people truly adored him.
Yeah.
He had all these confidence, and it was not for nothing.
And also, we found out that he was a really successful shooter in his life.
Yeah, I mean, he totally deserved
So
that.
it was not a surprise. And speaking about sports, we've also seen our national soccer teams matches this year in Euro 2024. And it was really honoring watching our soccer team. I myself actually don't even support soccer, but after I started, watching the national team, I was like, okay, this is not bad. It's actually fun. So I was getting a little more intimate with soccer.
I don't even support a team, but in those international matches, I actually sat down with my family and watched those soccer matches, and it didn't bore me at all.
Yeah. And the final match, I remember, like, I was really sad when we
know.
lost the game.
I remember it actually very vividly. I was in the kitchen, minding my own business, and then obviously all the windows are open because it's like 100 degrees out there.
Yeah.
When one of our players shoots a goal, everyone is like, "Yes, we scored."
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even have to watch the match. I can understand that we scored because of the noise outside. And now, with cultural improvements, this year, Oscars were made in March, if I'm not wrong.
I guess so.
And I actually loved all the actors that won the leading actor and actress Oscars, such as Cillian Murphy.
Yeah. Robert Downey Jr.
Yes, as a supporting role. And Emma Stone.
About Oscars, there's only one star of the night, and it was Oppenheimer.
Yes.
Oppenheimer was a huge success. It won 7 Oscars. Before the Oscars, I thought I would see, Barbie and Oppenheimer compete, but it was not like that.
No.
So it was not like competing each other, it was like supporting each other.
Yeah, they were not rivals. Actually, it was kind of cute to watch them, they sing at themselves.
Yeah, especially Emily Blunt and Ryan Gosling.
I know, I love those two.
Yeah.
And I've actually enjoyed watching the two of them, trashing the other movie. Also, about Oppenheimer, you talked about the actors, but most importantly, we have got to talk about Christopher Nolan.
Yeah.
I love a lot of his movies. I mean, The Dark Knight is actually one of my favorites. And I know that he's very obsessed and also strict the way that he shoots a movie. I mean, I know that in Oppenheimer that he didn't use computers for those explosions.
Finally, I like to ask Rukiye about what's her expectations from 2025.
Ah, that is so cute of you to ask. I'm hoping
Yeah.
for both of us to go to the universities that we both want to go. And also, right after the university, I am expecting to improve myself and join more projects with English, yeah, so that I can improve more and can actually get to do something that I love truly. What do you expect from 2025?
I like to, getting into the college that I want and putting my life in an order finally. And, I just picture my summer, this summer, 2025 summer. And the only thing that I can see after the university exam is that, staying up all night and watching movies and, sleeping during the day.
I know.
Like it's now one of my biggest dreams after the exam.
But still, that is always a dream life.
Yeah. And it's kind of sad because the next year we won't be here. Actually,
Yeah, we won't be here.
In a year we're going to be in college.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. Maybe, and probably not even in the city. It's
I know.
kind of feels strange.
Also, 2025 reviews will get recorded by people that we don't even know.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. So I guess it's a goodbye.
Yeah, it's kind of a goodbye. Yeah, but maybe we'll do some more videos together.
Yes, hopefully. Okay, so thanks for watching, everyone.
Yeah, thank you. I hope you'll have the best year in 2025.
Yeah, we all hope so. Don't forget to subscribe and see you.